Look at what a big smile on his face.
It's back and running, bro.
The police response to a wild car takeover.
As y'all may know, this is my C300. I'm trying to be as quiet as I can. It's like 11 right now. But this is my C300. And if you're keeping up with my TikTok, it's been down for about 2 months now. The day has come that it's up and running again. Oh my. Oh my. I haven't heard this in a while, guys. It is breathing again. Oh my.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
The parts we're going to be installing are these ones. These may look like boots, but they're actually the intakes. Now, this is one of the engine covers right here, V6. Now, the reason why we taped this up was because they cracked. I'm buying new ones. Don't worry, guys. I'm buying new ones. All right, anyways, low-key, I don't remember how this went. Pretty sure this goes like this, and then the straps on to here. Now, where the fuck does here go, though? Oh. This. There we go. Let's go back to building. Inside like this. Bam. Okay. Voila. It's done. Guys. Oh, wait, hold on. No, we're not. Can't forget the V6. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the morning. Hopefully that was as cool as I envisioned it. It's about 7:30 now. I'm about to head to school, but before we head to school, I have the first person I'm surprised, and that's my girlfriend. Alright, so we came to Sheets, put in air. While I was driving here, the car was making this type of like train sound, right? And when I lowered the window down, I heard more of a chaka 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 type of thing, right? So like we came to put air, hopefully it goes away. It's at 26 right now. I don't know if y'all can see. It's supposed to be at 35. Alright, so we're at my girlfriend's place right now. We're about to see her reaction. She better come out right now. Huh? Yo, so first day I get my Mercedes back, what are we doing?
Racing again.
Racing again? First day I get the Mercedes back. I got you, bro. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day. It's taking me so long to surprise him, but today's the day, and we're supposed to record a soccer challenge today, but as y'all can see, it rained. But I do have bad news. The check engine light turned on, so I'm gonna pull up with my friend with the scanner, and I did tell him that I was gonna put up with the Honda, but he doesn't know that I'm actually pulling with the Mercedes. But first, before I do go surprise a friend, I do want to pull up on a couple other friends and show them the car first. First pit stop we're going to is George's house. Alright, so we're here at George's house. I told him to record before he comes out. Let's see his reaction. What do you think?
No way, bro. No freaking way.
Can you believe it?
Actually, I didn't even realize the Benz was here. I was looking at the tripod instead.
Bro, this fucking guy, bro, look.
You got it working?
Nah, I just moved here.
Wait, how does it work?
Huh? Well, there's an engine inside of it, and the engine gives it power.
No way.
Bro,
I'm saying, when did you get it fixed?
2 days ago.
Oh, no way. Damn, no way.
I had to check engine light though.
Yeah, I can see it from here.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to take your word for.
No way.
Only
this
your
car
word-
beats you though, bro.
Whose is it?
That's mine.
Cat.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, so we're pulling up to AutoZone right now.
Look at what a big smile on his face.
No way. It's back and running, bro. It's back and running. Yo.
Put this thing back on too?
The what? Oh, what the hell?
I didn't even realize that.
Who put that back
Oh, what the
on?
fuck? I didn't even realize
I
that.
know your car more than you.
Yo, my stepdad put that on today then. Oh shit,
I was gonna ask you, I thought you did that.
No, yo, I didn't know that. My stepdad probably did that. Whoa, 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 whoa. On that one.
Hey, don't worry about it, bro.
Y'all got the e-brake off, right? Or
Yeah, it's off. I know how to drive, Jack. Yeah, where's the OBD scanner in this piece of shit Mercedes?
It's below over there. Whoa, chill, dude.
Where's it at?
Is it not down there?
Wait. That is suave then.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, where's the metal part?
¡Qué posición!
Bro, the old... Oh, actually, nah. I was gonna say the old combo.
I actually parked the car right there when I first got my tent.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Yeah, that's crazy. And then all the way over there was when like it was last seen getting fixed.
Never in my life am I touching your POS card.
All right.
Nah.
Never in my life am I letting y'all touch it again, too.
You want to play dice?
Let's play dice. Huh?
All right, what you
All
got
right.
to bet?
If I get 6, you owe me $6. No. If I get 6, you owe me 6 kisses.
All right, if I get 7, you owe me 7,000 dicks in your ass.
What? Fuck the Yo!
I bet you it always lands on 6. Never mind.
One problem, which it says it might be the mass airflow sensor, could cause all of these codes.
Basically, the summary is that the intakes that I showed you guys in the vlog is what could be causing the check engine light.
A few minutes later.
Look, bro, my eye is like
All right, let's
itchy.
see. Let me examine it. Yo, that shit's red as fuck.
Well, no fucking shit.
Nah, yo, you're cooked. You
Why?
know what that might be?
What?
Early signs of diabetes.
Nah, stop. Second person getting surprised.
Jose de la Cruz.
I don't care what a hoe say.
I don't care what a Jose. I'm gonna show him his house. See if he picks up.
What do y'all want?
What do you think?
What?
What you think, bro? What you think?
What happened?
What are we in, bro? What are we in?
What, the car?
This nonchalant ass guy.
What do you think, bro?
Yo, is running again?
Yo, this guy, bro.
Yo, but I need to get ready though if I'm gonna go out there.
Why are you gonna get ready?
What do you mean? I can't go like this. Hey, pal.
A few moments later.
What are you laughing at, bro?
Oh, yo, you look good today.
Thank you, bro.
Dude, what's up, George? Oh my gosh. Yo, check engine light, bro.
Yeah, I know.
What is it?
Air intake. You wanna see the reason why?
Yeah.
Let me show you. Oh. Because of that. Alright, bro, we're pulling up to the one and onlys.
Oh, buddy. What are you doing?
I don't know what you're doing.
We're waiting for you, buddy. What's up, bro?
What's up? These guys don't care, bro. Yo, you know something different about the Honda?
Yeah,
For sure, bro.
Huh? It looks like the old one, right? It's a new body kit.
Disclaimer. The content you see next is created by AI. Nothing you see is real, and everything is completely made by AI. Enjoy the rest.
Swapping out the tires, and now he's about to spin that shit. What are we doing to your car today?
Huh?
What are you doing to your car today?
I'm doing a tune, downpipe. You know, I'm about to get stage. Stop the cap.
Why is this guy getting into your car?
I'll let him borrow my car.
Oh, bro. Oh, no. Where are you going?
Loki forgot to turn off traction.
We are now seeing for the first time video of the police response to a wild car takeover.
What'd you think of it?
Dude, that shit was wicked.
Vamos, mujeres, vamos. Vamos, mujeres, vamos.
That shit under.
Oh, shit.
Ooh, look at that. Get a nice
Yo.
Watch out, don't touch it because that shit
shit.
will fucking.
Oh, yeah.
Te agarra.
I made that mistake. Bad tick.
A few minutes later.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yo, hold on. I'm not gonna lie, that was just a skit. But
This is real life, bro.
we just checked the Ring community app and it said that there was like people doing donuts and they're talking about us.
Bro, Gucci gang.
Gucci King, you Gucci King.
Te mata Gucci.
If y'all want to get into systems, don't really get the A18s unless you're on a budget.
Man, shut your bitch ass up. If one man can hold you down, two can whip you.
What?
Now you saw how you let it happen.
What the fuck do you want me to do? I'm in a vulnerable state, bro.
Hell no, if that was me, I would have went like this.
Yeah, you know, this is our new Spider-Man, bro.
How you feel being the new Spider-Man?
I don't know, bro.
Spider-Man into the spectrum verse.
Spider-Man far from chromosome.
Spider-Man missing a chromosome.
What is this guy doing, bro? You know, there's like camera angles, so you could get it a little bigger.
Oh.
What type of crank is that, man?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, 2.
Yo, look, you should do the one where they're driving and then they go slow motion. Oh no, you gotta pretend like they pass you, be like, huh? And then you gotta go and then you gotta
Like drive normal and then just look at them pass you, like they confused as shit, and then wait.
Yeah, let's start doing skits like the vlogs again.
Chicos, mira lo que está haciendo la policía.
Quita tu chingadera que tú lo sabes.
Soy influencer. Soy influencer. What the fuck?
Nadie te puede mover, vos grabás.
Soy influencer.
Chicos, quiero que vean lo que está haciendo la oficial.
Quita tu chingadera si no sabes.
Soy influencer.
Quítate.
Soy influencer.
¿Qué quieres que haga?
Chicos, quiero que...
What
the fuck?
No, güey, no te puedes mover nadie, güey. Tú sigue grabando, güey, no hay pedo.
Soy influencer.
A huevo.
Come on, bring them all. Call the papa.
My man, where's my man?
Who the fuck is that?
This lady, like, no, lay under.
Oh yeah, get closer to it. I think that's what, bro.